Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter set theory. Before that you should do Brahmanath. Let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed what is the meaning of set, definition of sets, and cardinality of number of a set, types of sets up to subset and proper subset. Actually, what is the difference between subset and proper subset? Let us discuss some more types of sets and what is the basic difference between subset and proper subset. Subset means what? A subset B means what? A is cardinality number of A less than or equal to cardinality of B. But proper subset, cardinality number of A is less than cardinality number of B. Cardinality number means what? Number of elements. So, one question regarding to the subset and proper subset. Question from previous concept, from previous knowledge, write all the subset, write the subsets of A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Write the subsets of A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Solution. Since phi is subset of every set, so phi, then what? 1, then 2, then 3, then 1, 2, then 1, 3, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. So, number of subsets here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 power q, 8. Number of subset is what? 8 here. Okay. So, and what are, write the, another question, write the proper subset of, write the proper subset of A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So, that is proper subset means except this all are proper subset. So our answer is what? Solution is phi proper subset of every set. So, phi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3 here. That is proper subset means no, cannot be equal. So, this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, number of proper subset equal to 2 to the n minus 1. Now, number of subsets of a set. Number of subset of a set. Number of subsets of a set. Number of subsets of a set. Number of subsets, proper subset, non-empty subsets, non-empty subset and non-empty proper subset of a set. Let A is equal to, let cardinality number of, if cardinality number of A is equal to n, then number 1 question, formula number 1, number of subsets of set A 2 to the power n. Number 2, number of proper subsets is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1, excluding the sets, excluding A. Number 3, number of non-empty subsets 2 to the power n minus 1, excluding phi. Number 4, number of non-empty proper subsets of A is equal to, this is equal to what? Of A is equal to 2 to the power n minus 2. Here excluding, here phi and A are excluded. Phi and A are excluded. Okay. Then what is power sets? Supersets. The symbol is like this. The set A is said to be the set A is said to be supersets of set B if A contains set B and written as A is superset of B. That is example, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to suppose 1, 2. Here A superset B. Okay. One note for you, that is subset. One note for subset. If A subset B, that implies X belongs to A and X, that implies what? If A subset B, then if X belongs to A, implies X belongs to B. This is very, very important for mathematical. So now this is superset. Now what is universal sets? Universal set. The set is said to be universal sets. The set is said to be universal set if that set is superset of all sets in our consideration. Okay. And universal set is denoted by capital U or capital E. Example, what is example? That is what? If Odisha is a set and all states are subset of Odisha. Here Odisha is superset of, that is proper superset of what? All states. Here Odisha is superset of all states. So Odisha is the universal set. This is the universal set. Now what is power set? Power set. The power set of a set A is denoted by P of A and defined as P of A is the set of all subsets, is the set of all subsets of A, all subsets of A. That is, P of A, power set of A is equal to the set capital S such that S is subset of A. S is subset of A. Now one example, if A is equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, write the power set of A. Write the power set of A. So solution, and that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now P of A means what? Phi is subset of every set. So write first phi, then singleton set 1, 2, 3, then double 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3. Finally it's the set itself 1, 2, 3. Finally 1, 2, 3. This is the and whole bracket. This is the set of all subset, is the power set of A. Now write the power set of the following sets. Write the power set of the following. Number 1, wait, A is equal to 1, set 1. So answer is what? The answer is solution, and answer is P of A is equal to first phi is subset phi, then the element 1 bracket, then bracket 1. If there is no bracket, then use a bracket. If there is single bracket, then use another bracket. Jodi gote bracket thibo a gote bracket thibo, single thibo gote bracket habo, so then 1, 2, 1 bracket 1, and this is what? The set. Another question, write the power set of A is equal to phi 1, 2. So what is that is power set of solution? Answer is P of A is equal to first phi. Here phi is an element, So it is set phi and set 1 and set of set 2. Set of set 2. Okay. So this is what? Set of set 2. Clear? So set of set 2, that is, and its sets. Okay. Then another question, that is theorem. If cardinality number of A is equal to n, then cardinality number of P of A is equal to 2 to the power n. This can be proved by method of induction. Okay. After method of induction, this can be proved. And number 2, suppose P of A is equal to what? This is the element here, this is n now. So 2 to the power, this is n now. So 2 to the power n. Suppose P to the power A cardinality is equal to, this is the set here. So 2 to the power n. The conclusion hochi ame kemiti easily man rakhiba, jette P अछि, number of P 1 2 3 2 2 2 3 2 habo, tapar power n habo. Similarly we can suppose 4 piece A, that is what? 1 2 3 4. So 2 2 2 2 4, and this is n. This is the how to find the cardinality number of power setup. Okay. Now find P of A. P of this is phi. Question is P of phi is equal to this. Okay. So answer is what? Answer is P and this is phi. Good. And this is phi. Number of P here 2 1 2 3 4 2 2 2 4 2s, and phi element, number of element 0. So this is equal to 2 2 2 2 to the 0 is equal to 1. Again 2 to the 2 is equal to what? 2 2. So 2 to the 4 is equal to what? 16 is the answer. Okay. Now one question, if mode A equal to m, mode B equal to n. Question, if mode A equal to m, mode B is equal to n, and P of A mode minus P of B mode is equal to, suppose, 56. Find values of m and n. So this is solution is A mode is equal to m, that is cardinality of A equal to m, cardinality number of B is equal to n. So P of A kernel T minus P of B kernel T given P of A kernel T minus P of B kernel T is equal to 56. So that is equal to 2 to the m minus 2 to the n is equal to 56. So 56, that is 2 to the m minus 2 to the n, 64 minus 8. So this is equal to what? 2m minus 2n, 2 to the 6 minus 2 to the 3. That implies what? M is equal to 6, n is equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now this is a cardinality number and operation of sets. We'll just start just operation of sets. And what is Venn diagram? Okay. Now if P of A kernel T is equal to 16, then what is the number of? Then finds number of elements. Then find number of elements of set A. Solution: given P of A given P of A kernel T is equal to 16. We know the process of finding. Suppose A mod equal to n. Let A mod is equal to n, then this is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So chapter 2, n is equal to 16. So this can be written as what? This can be written as, that is 2 to the power 2 n is equal to 2 to the power what? 4. So this is equal to 4. That implies 2 n is equal to 4. Means what? Means this is equal to 2 power. That implies what? This is equal to 2 to the power 2. So this is equal to 2. 2 n is equal to 2. Means what? 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1. Now this is what? 2 to the power 1 means what? Again 2 to the power n is equal to 1. 2 to the power n is equal to 1. 1 means what? 2 to the power 0. Therefore n is equal to 0 is the answer. So A mod is equal to 0. So A mod is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. A mod is equal to 0 is the answer. Now what is Venn diagram? What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram. Venn diagram. It is the pictorial notation. It is the pictorial representation of the sets named after which is named after English logician, which is named after English logician John Venn, which is named after after English logician, English logician John Venn. According to him, all subsets of universal set is represented by a square, that is a square, or a rectangle, and the universal set is represented by all sets are represented by circle, or that is all circle sets are represented by circle or closed curve, and the universal set is represented by a square, that is square, or a rectangle. This is the meaning of Venn diagram. This is 2-mark question for commerce student. What is Venn diagram? Okay. Then what is Venn diagram of? Write the Venn diagram of A subset B. Write the Venn diagram of A subset B. This is question. So first this set A, then set B, then this is universal sets. This is the Venn diagram of A subset B. Okay. Operation of sets. Number 1 is union of sets. The symbol is what? The union of set means let A and B are two sets, then they are union. Union is denoted by A union B and defined as A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Or we can write using another symbol, A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A, and this is symbol of OR, B shape, or X belongs to B. This means what? A union B is equal to collection of the elements, that is A union B is the collection of is equal to the set of elements of A or B and both and B, A or B. Okay, set of elements of A or B or both. or both A and B. This is the meaning of A union B. Okay. Now another question is, if union means, the symbol union means the meaning is what? Or. Now one question from union. Let A is equal to, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to what? B is equal to suppose 3, 4, 5. Then A union B is equal to dash. So answer is what? Answer is, suppose here A is equal to, given A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. A union B is equal to, write all the elements, but repetition is not allowed here. 1, 2, 3, 2 times here, so write single time. 3, 4, 5. This is A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is Venn diagram of union of sets? So Venn diagram of the union of sets. Venn diagram of union of sets. Venn diagram of A union B. Suppose Venn diagram of A union B. Case 1, if A and B have no common elements, the figure is here, that is universal set. The universal set is, first write universal set, then A and B have no common elements. This is set A and this is set B. So A union B is called total set. This indicates A union B. And case 2 is what? Case 2, if A and B have some common element, this is called disjoint. Okay, this figure is called disjoint sets. A and B are disjoint sets. Case 2, if A and B have some common elements, the figure is like this. Suppose this is the universal set. The universal set is a rectangular square, and the set A is here. This is A and this is set B. What is A union B? Whole. This is suppose A set and this is suppose B set. A union B means what? Total. Whole shaded portion is A union B. Now case 3 is what? Case 3, if A subset B, if A is subset of B, then Venn diagram is like this. This is suppose the universal set, this is universal set, this is universal set, and this is universal set. Okay, A subset B, this is set A and this is what? Set B. This is set B. So A union B is what? The total is A union B. Note, if A subset B, then A union B is equal to what? Total set B. This is one more question. If A subset B, then A union B is equal to what? A union B is equal to this set B. A union B is equal to what? This set B. A union B equal to. Now, what is intersection? Extension of union of sets. extension of union of sets. Extension of union of sets. Let A1, A2, A3 dot dot An are n sets. Then their union is A1 union A2 union A3 dot dot union An. Its short form is that is what? Union of I equal to 1 to n ai. That is meaning of union I equal to 1 to n means what? A1 union A2 union A3 dot dot union An. This is the extension of union of sets. Now, what is intersection? Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Let A and B be two sets, then their intersection is denoted by A intersection B. This is symbol of intersection and defined as A intersection B is equal to A union B. A intersection B is defined as X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. The meaning of intersection is and. The meaning of intersection is and. Or we can write A intersection B, another symbol, that is X such that X belongs to A. This is symbol of A, okay, and X belongs to B. That is A intersection B is equal to the set of common elements. The set of common elements of set A and set B. Now example, let A is equal to A, B, C, D and B is equal to suppose C, D, E, F. Then A intersection B is equal to dash. A intersection B is equal to dash. So solution is what? A intersection B is equal to dash. So the solution is what? Solution is what is common element of A and B. B present, C present and D present. C, D are common element. C of D, A set ଅଛି, B set ଅଛି. So answer is A intersection B is equal to C comma D. So it is common element of the both sets. Okay. So it is common elements of both ends. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 5, 6, then A intersection B is equal to this. So A intersection B, there is no common element. 1, 2, 3 not present here and 5, 6 not here present. So A intersection B is equal to 5 is the answer. Extension of intersection of sets. That is the shortcut symbol is what? Intersection of I is equal to 1 to n ai, which is equal to what? A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 intersection dot dot intersection An. This is the meaning of this symbol. Okay, this is the meaning of this symbol. So now what is difference of the sets or Venn diagram the intersection. Venn diagram of intersection of sets A intersection B. Venn diagram of A intersection B. Case 1, if A and B have no common elements. Common elements. Then the Venn diagram is like this. Suppose this is a rectangle shape and this is universal set A, this is A and this is B. No common element, that is, so they are disjoint. So here A intersection B is what? A intersection B is equal to 5. So there is no common element. Now case 2, when if A and B have some common elements, common elements, that is what? This is the Venn diagram of universal set. This is the Venn diagram of what? Universal set, and this is Venn diagram of universal set. So this is set A, this is set A and this is set B. Suppose what is the common portion of the diagram? Here common portion is this. So this is what? A intersection B. Now case 3, if A subset B. Case 3, if A subset B, if A subset B, then the Venn diagram is like this. This is set A and this is set B. What is the common portion here? A of B ର common portion होची A टा. So this is A intersection B. Note, if A subset B, then A intersection B is equal to A. Union रे बड़ A subset B थिले union रे बड़ set हबो A intersection B रे A subset B थिबो intersection कले smaller set हबो. A subset B थिबो union कले larger bigger set हबो. Now this is the Venn diagram of A intersection B. Now what is difference? What is difference of two sets? Difference of two sets. Difference of sets. Let A and B be two sets. Then the difference is A difference B or B difference A. A difference B is defined as A difference B is equal to x such that x belongs to A and x not belongs to B. B difference A is equal to x such that x belongs to B and x not belongs to A. A difference B रो मीनिंग हला एलिमेंट A थिबो B रे नथिबो. B difference A रो मीनिंग हला एलिमेंट B थिबो A नथिबो. So example, if A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 4 5 6, then find A difference B and B difference A. Solution: A difference B is equal to what? Element present in A but not in B. One element 1 A रे अछि B रे नहीं, तो आंसर 1 है परियो. एलिमेंट 2 A रे अछि B रे नहीं, 2 है परियो. एलिमेंट 3 A सेट रे अछि B सेट नहीं, so 1 2 3 हबो. And B difference A कोन हबो? B difference A and B difference A एलिमेंट B रे थिबो A नथिबो, तो 4 नहीं, 4 अछि, 5 नहीं और 6 नहीं, 5, 6. This is the answer. Now Venn diagram of what? Difference of sets A difference B and B difference A. Venn diagram of A difference B and B difference A. Case 1, if A and B have no common elements. So Venn diagram is like this. This is universal set U, this is A and this is B. what is A difference B? A difference means what? Element belongs to A but not B. A set thibo, B set nathibo. This is whole set. This is A difference B is equal to what? Here set A. Here B difference A. So B difference B is equal to B difference A. This is B difference A is equal to what? Whole set B. The condition is A and B have no common elements. Case 2. If A and B have some common elements. So the diagram is what? The diagram is like this. This is suppose A set and this is suppose B set. A difference B माने elements belong to A रे थिबो B रे नथो. ए क्वेश्चन होची A difference B. B difference माने element belong to B but not belong to A. This is B difference A. Now case 3 is A subset B. Case 3 is what? Case 3, if A subset B. So this is the universal set U and this is set A and this is set B. So A subset A रे थिबो B न थिबो. ये तो A difference B टा phi होबो. And B difference A what? This ring is what? B रे अच्छी A रे नहीं. So A ring टा होची B difference A. Okay. Some facts regarding to the difference. Note A difference A is equal to phi. A difference phi is equal to A. Phi difference A is equal to what? Phi. Phi difference phi is equal to phi. These are the some notes and some fact of the difference. Now symmetric difference. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is denoted by A delta B and defined as A delta B is equal to, the formula is A union B difference A intersection B, or A delta B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. The Venn diagram is what? Example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to suppose 3, 4, then find A difference, symmetric difference B. Solution is A symmetric difference B is equal to A union B difference A intersection B. What is A union B? A union B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 difference 3, 4. What is the common element here? The common element is 3. So A difference B. This first set thibo, second set nathibo. Okay, 1, 2, 4 ଅଛି. Answer of 1, 2, 4. You can this formula or you can apply this formula. What is Venn diagram symmetric difference? A delta B. Venn diagram of A delta B. Okay, so if A, case 1, if A and B have no common elements, तो common element नहीं माने disjoint set हबो. ये A set, ये B set, तो A difference B total set is what? The total is A delta B, and case 2 is what? Case 2 A, if A and B have some common element, so A difference B, that is, this is the Venn diagram of, this is A and this is B. A difference B means what? A symmetric difference B means what? A minus B, this is A minus B, and this is B minus A. These are called A delta B. And if A and A subset B, case 3, if A subset B, what is the Venn diagram of? This is set A and this is set B. A difference B means phi. A difference B means what? And B difference A. What is formula for A delta B? A delta B is equal to what? A union B minus A intersection B. So A union B is what? A union B is complete B set minus the common region. So this is A. Okay. A delta B means what is A union B? A union B is set B minus A intersection B. So B set minus common region. So this is A set. This set is, okay, or we can write A delta B is equal to what? A union B minus A intersection B. So A union B is what? A union B is equal to set B minus common element. So this is the region of A subset B. Now what is symmetric difference? That is symmetric difference. Now what is complement of a set? Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Let capital A be a set and U be the universal set. Then complement of A, then complement of set A is denoted by A dash, and A dash is equal to universal set minus A. So the Venn diagram is, suppose this is set U, universal set, and this is set A. The region is what? This is complement of A. The region is what? This is complement of A, that is A dash. So here one thing, that is what? A dash union A is equal to U. A dash intersection A is equal to what? Phi. These are two short questions. Note X, if X belongs to A, implies X doesn't belongs to A dash. Again, if X belongs to A dash, implies X doesn't belongs to A. This is the opposite. This is the opposite of the complement is opposite to this set. Reverse to say opposite to the set. Now, if A dash union A is equal to U, A dash intersection A equal to phi. A dash, another note, A complement is equal to A, and phi dash is equal to U, and U dash is equal to phi. These are some short questions. These are the set operation of sets. In last class we discussed the set theory. We will discuss in next class the laws of the or algebra of this set operation. Thank you. Have a nice day.